Are you experiencing knee stiffness or finding it harder to climb stairs? Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal exactly how long it takes. Before you'll actually feel the difference, and the answer might surprise you. Once knee problems start, they're tough to reverse, so prevention is key. But here's the good news. These 5 foods can start protecting your knees today. These foods for joint health can protect your cartilage and keep you moving comfortably for years to come. Fatty fish, nature's inflammation fighter. Salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that actively fight joint inflammation. Research consistently shows that regular omega-3 intake significantly improves arthritis symptoms and joint mobility. This makes fatty fish one of the cornerstones of the best diet for arthritis. For optimal benefits, aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, with each serving about 4 to 6 ounces. Simply bake salmon in the oven until it flakes easily, or grill some tuna steaks. If you don't enjoy fish, walnuts, chia seeds, or ground flax seed work as excellent alternatives. However, if you're taking blood thinners or daily aspirin, check with your doctor first, since omega-3s can affect blood clotting. How often do you include omega-3 rich foods in your weekly meals? Allium vegetables, your kitchen's secret weapon. Garlic, onions, and leeks do more than add flavor, they're powerful allies in protecting your knee health. These aromatic vegetables contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that research links to lower rates of osteoarthritis. Studies show people who regularly include these foods experience less joint deterioration over time, making them essential components of any cartilage protection diet. Try to incorporate 2 to 3 garlic cloves or half an onion into your daily meals. Roast whole garlic bulbs in the oven and spread the soft cloves on bread, or slowly cook onions until they caramelize into golden sweetness. Those managing high blood pressure should stick with fresh garlic rather than garlic salt. If you experience heartburn, cooking garlic thoroughly reduces its bite. When was the last time you added fresh garlic to your meal? Even small daily food choices can transform your knee health. Berries, sweet protection for your knees. Blueberries, tart cherries, and strawberries pack a powerful punch of antioxidants and vitamin C that combat inflammation throughout your body. These natural knee pain relief foods support cartilage protection from the inside out. And here's what makes them special. Studies specifically examining tart cherries found they significantly reduced osteoarthritis pain in participants who consumed them regularly. Some people noticed a 20% reduction in knee discomfort in just 8 weeks. About 1 cup daily provides optimal benefits. Roughly a handful of blueberries or 8 to 10 strawberries. Blend them into morning smoothies. Stir them into yogurt, or simply enjoy them as an afternoon snack. If you're managing diabetes, stick to about 34 cup and monitor how your blood sugar responds. Do you start your mornings with berries? Nuts, small but mighty joint supporters. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit the like button. It helps more people discover science-backed health tips like this. Walnuts, almonds, and pecans deliver magnesium and healthy fats your joints crave. Walnuts are particularly rich in plant-based omega-3s that reduce inflammation, while almonds provide vitamin E for additional joint protection. 1 ounce daily is the sweet spot that translates to about 7 walnut halves or 23 almonds. Snack on them plain, spread almond butter on apple slices, or sprinkle chopped nuts over your morning cereal. If chewing whole nuts is difficult, finely chop them or choose smooth nut butters. Those with tree nut allergies can get similar benefits from olive oil or avocado. What's your favorite way to enjoy nuts as a snack? Your daily choices today shape your mobility tomorrow. Leafy greens, your cartilage's best friend. Now, before I show you how all these foods work together, here's something most people don't know about vitamin K and your joints. Spinach, kale, and broccoli provide a powerhouse combination of vitamins K, C, E, and beta-carotene that work together to protect cartilage from breakdown and support overall joint health. Research indicates that adequate vitamin K intake helps slow osteoarthritis progression, while vitamin C supports collagen production essential for healthy joints. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of these vegetables daily by steaming broccoli and finishing with a squeeze of fresh lemon. tossing fresh spinach into salads, or adding chopped kale to soups and stews. If you take blood-thinning medications, maintain consistent intake of these vitamin K-rich foods and discuss any dietary changes with your physician. Which leafy green do you find easiest to add to your daily routine? When to expect results? Remember at the beginning when I said I'd tell you how long this takes? Here's the truth: joint health improvements don't happen overnight. But they do happen. Plan on 3 to 6 months of consistent healthy eating to notice meaningful changes in stiffness and mobility. But here's what you can do to speed that up. Don't forget that calcium and vitamin D work alongside these foods for joint health to maintain strong bones that support healthy joints. Include dairy products, fortified plant milks, or consider a vitamin D supplement. Especially if you spend limited time outdoors. Your path forward. Your knees carry you to grandchildren's games, through garden paths, and on morning walks with loved ones. They deserve this investment. Start by adding just one of these foods to your daily routine this week. Maybe it's a handful of berries with breakfast or a salmon dinner twice a week. Small, consistent changes build into powerful protection over time. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. These simple dietary changes could mean the difference between climbing stairs with ease or struggling with each step. Which of these 5 foods will you start adding today? Drop a comment below and share this with someone who could benefit from healthier knees. And if you want more evidence-based health tips that actually work, subscribe so you don't miss the next video.